Marco Colbert, Speedokote Refinish Network. We have a really clean Benz C240 behind us. Very rare car, not only because of how clean it is, but it's also manual transmission. Really cool old Mercedes-Benz. The rest of the car is reasonably clean, but somebody, I guess, put a new fender on it, never painted it. So we're just going to be going ahead and just painting the passenger fender today. Two things I'm going to do for you guys today that I've actually never done is I'm actually going to time myself to see how long it takes me to paint one panel with an intact on the car, mask up the whole car and everything like that. I'm also going to be doing a cost breakdown for you guys. So I'm going to break down the exact cost of the paint, the exact cost of the clear, and also try and throw in any other little miscellaneous things like tape and plastic and things like that. We got all of our materials laid out right here. We got our jet black. We have the SMR 1150, which is a super economical clear, looks really good, dries super fast. Me personally, I'm shooting for that 45-minute to an hour mark, but we'll see. I'm going to try and challenge myself here. We got a timer set up, so let's get to work. At 40 minutes. We've been letting the base coat dry for about 5 minutes now. Let the base flash off for 10 minutes. It has been a really hot day, so I'm not going to give it its normal 20-30 minutes. It's just not necessary. About 2-3 coats of base, one really light coat, one heavy coat, and then one mist coat over top of that. Once we get to 45 minutes on the timer, we're going to start with our first coat of clear, let that flash off for about 4 or 5 minutes, hit a second coat of clear, pull the tape off, and we're done. There you guys have it, 59 minutes. We cleaned, scuffed, re-cleaned, masked, painted, and unmasked this job in 59 minutes. Now obviously this is just a budget economical fender job. Really, to do it right, we should have used the primer sealer, probably put a little bit more clear on it, but we got a really good result for only putting 59 minutes into it. It's this SMR 1150 for the money. Guys, 59 bucks, full gallon kit. This stuff is just incredible. Lays on really smooth. I only let this flash off for 4 minutes in between coats. It's a very fast drying clear, works great as a panel clear. It's just an awesome product for the money. I promised you guys I would do cost breakdown for the job. So, cost breakdown. Our SMR 1150 is 37 cents an ounce. We used 9 ounces. Total cost for the clear coat was $3.30. Our jet black base is 78 cents an ounce. We used about 5 ounces of base. So the base came out to $3.90. Speedokote reducer at 29 bucks a gallon is about 22 cents an ounce. About 3 ounces of reducer, so total cost for a reducer was about 66 cents. And throw in a red scuff pad, roll of masking tape, and some plastic. And that all together is about 4 to 5 bucks. Total cost for the job, providing you have a good air compressor and a spray gun already, total cost for the job was $12.86. So, you know, not a bad result for 12 bucks, guys. We got a really, really good result. Got a couple dust nibs in here and there, and obviously the owner's gonna have to buff that panel and honestly the rest of the car to make it look good. But just wanted to show you guys today what you can do with about 12 to 15 bucks of paint and an hour of your time on an older car like this. So that wraps up the video. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.